Hi, welcome to Obi World Nature Health. Today we're going to teach you how to prepare herbal solution or herbal remedy that will take care of sexual transmitted disease, STD, and urinary tract infection, UTI, in women and in men. You must agree with me that today STD and UTI infections are on the rise as a result of unprotected sexual activities going on here and there. If you are a victim of one of these infections, I'm bringing a solution to you today. With this herbal solution or remedy, you are going to be free from it. So some of the ingredients we are going to use today is here on display. As you can see, here we have our cloves, we have our garlic here, we have our turmeric, we have our ginger, we have our lime. These these five ingredients, we're going to mix them together in the right proportion and bring up a solution and a remedy that will bring up a cure to us. Some of these remedies can be used in diverse ways. For women, you can, after heating it, when it is very hot, you can pour it in a bucket and sit over the bucket so that the heat from it can go into your private systems and cleans up all the bacteria and fungi and viruses that are taking over that area. And equally, you can equally drink the solution after heating it. We're going to mix all of them together, chop them into pieces, and boil them together. You can boil them up to 30 minutes to 1 hour to bring out a solution that we're going to use for our herbal remedy. As you can see, the cloves, the garlic, the turmeric, the ginger, the lime, they all have powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that can help you fight these infections and make you feel free. Let's go, guys. After chopping our ingredients into pieces, it will look like this. You can see our ginger, our cloves, our garlic, our lime, our turmeric. We have chopped them up into pieces. Remember this infection treatment medicine or solution. Please, if you have STD, UTI, you just have to have some of these things in larger quantity. You have to bring enough ginger, enough cloves, enough garlic, enough turmeric, and enough lime, so that when you mix them and boil them together, just as I said earlier, for women, after boiling it to be to steam hot, you can pour it in a bucket and sit on the bucket so that the steam heat from the solution can go up into your system and begin to clear up all those infections in your private areas. You can sit on the bucket or whatever you pour it on, whether it's a bath, whether it's a bath or whatever. Sit on it, and the steam heat that will be coming out will do a lot of damage to those bacterial, fungi, and viral infection that have attacked urinary tract, or your reproductive system, blocking your ovaries and other things, and causing infertility, causing painful urination, causing pain during intercourse, and all every other things, other symptoms that you have. After doing that, you take the water, not the one you have used for the steaming. You still have some left that you can be drinking. You drink them first thing in the morning and the last thing at night, so that you will see the benefit and the result. Before 5 to 7 days, you see that most of these things must have cleared off and you'll be free of these infections. So we're going to pour all these things into this bowl, so that we can go up and mix it with 1 liter of water. As I told you, based on what you are passing through, means you can add as much water as possible based on the quantity of the product you have. If you have, you can buy enough, not 2 bars of ginger, 2 bars of turmeric, bulbs of garlic, cloves. You can buy enough of them. Chop them into pieces, pour them into a bowl, then pour them into a pot. You can put enough water, as I said earlier, so that you can use them for steaming. Please don't use this to douche your private areas, because some of these substances are very hot. Don't use them to bathe. You can drink them. You can use them as a steam heat. As I said earlier, sit over the bucket or whatever you are using for your bed. Just pour it into something and sit over it if you are a woman. But if you are a man, drinking it will be okay. So now we're going to boil this for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then our remedy will be ready. Let's go. Our infection, our infection remedy is now anti-infection remedy is now ready. As you can see it, I've already canned it. After boiling it for 30 to 1 hour, I filtered it, then I bottled it. You can see it here. It's ready for consumption now. You take it, half glass, one in the morning, half glass first thing in the morning, half glass last thing in the night before you sleep. And you take it for 5 to 7 days and you'll be free. Remember what I said earlier, that if you are a woman, want to use this solution, this remedy, you can heat it up. As I said, you can use the steam from the heat from the solution to cure some of those infections. You can just use a bucket, sit over it while it is very hot. The steam from out of the solution will go right into your system through your private areas and deal with those infections while you equally have some to drink. If you do that for 5 to 7 days, you will see that you will be fine. And if you're a man, all you have to do is to just drink it and you see what you're going to be passing out through your urine. That's when you know that the herbal solution is really working. Please, pregnant woman should not take this, and it's not meant. They don't abuse it. After you finish it, you can be taking it as a preventive measure for some time. Thank you and God bless you.
Our infection solution is now ready. You can see it now. It's ready. So you can see how it looks like. You can remember all the ingredients you use in preparing it. As I said earlier, for those of us who have STD or UTI, especially women, please make sure that you have enough of the ingredients you used to prepare this solution so that you can have a steam sat. What I mean by steam sat, you can after steam heating the solution in fire, you can pour it in a bucket and sit over it so that the heat from the solution can get into your system through your private parts so that we can work on all those bacteria, fungi, and viruses that have invaded your system. Do this for some time, and you will see that you will be free from all these infections. So you can see it, you can prepare it. I will put all the ingredients in the description of this video so that you can be conversant with it and know your hands again. Please, if this help you and solve your problem, please subscribe, like our video, and click the notification button, and please comment on our comment section so that we can give you more help as we see your comments. Thank you and God bless you.